Hey there, my name's Jody, and I'm going to be doing a tutorial today of State Champ's song Stick Around. I just uploaded the video a couple weeks ago and someone commented on it, so I'm going to go ahead and teach you how to play it. I do have it tuned down half a step. Technically, if you want the ukulele to be in the same key as the guitar to play along with the recorded version, then you would probably have to tune the ukulele up 2 full steps and use these same chords. But for the sake of singing it, I tune the ukulele down half a step, which you could do with a guitar. If you like the way that sounds, just tune the guitar down half a step and it would sound the same as the way that I play this song. Either way, put it in whatever tuning you want. If you want to follow along with this video, easiest thing, tune it down half a step. You would have this bottom string would be an F sharp, then the next string is a B, that third string is a D sharp, and G sharp is your final high string there. Alright, well, the song itself only has 4 chords in it, and there's just a few different ways to play it rhythmically to make it sound the way that it does. But the intro, it's gonna be like an E-shaped chord, as you see. So you'd have this first string open, the second string with the 4th fret, I use my ring finger, and then the next string's actually open, so those two sound the same, and then pointer finger I put on the 2nd fret of this top string here. So this is what it looks like. If I move my other finger out of the way, my middle finger is just kind of hovering over, it's not touching anything. So you're going to have the sound like this. And you would play it in a rhythm somewhat like this. And then at that point, I do a little differently. It's hard to explain. I will just play through the intro, and you'll see what I mean. So what I do there is I pick my pointer finger up, and then I put it back on that same fret to get that nice little sound. Alright, and then the next chord is C. And that would be, play that whatever way you want, pointer finger, middle finger. So together it's going to sound. And if you see what I did right there at the end, that C goes from just regular C to just kind of diminish it. You put your pointer finger, middle finger, just slide it down to the 2nd fret. You get that nice sound. And it repeats itself that way throughout the verse. So, this is the call for all the wasted days, things I forgot to say. Something like that. So you got that E shape, pointer finger off, back on, and then your C, and that C diminished kind of chord where you just slide down to the 2nd fret, and it just repeats itself. So and then I just do, just a different rhythm to keep going. So on and so forth. So that's the verse. And then your chorus, or your pre-chorus rather, is gonna involve the D chord and the C chord, and then the only other chord you need for the song is a G. So the pre-chorus is gonna be something along the lines of and then I let go of my pinky to get this sound. So you would have C. It's back to the other chord. So the run through is, we'll break it down, slow it down a little bit. So from the beginning. This is a call for all the wasted days and things I forgot to say. Like you bring me down. I'll walk myself along, but I won't pray, 'cause that's not what I believe. Won't you stick around? So then it goes into the pre-chorus, the D. Well, the line was drawn, won't you find someone that, the C, makes you feel like, and then G. You're the one that turns me on even when you're not around. And then it goes to C. And then E, D. And that's the chorus, so. So G, C, E, D, C. And that's really it. There is the little bridge breakdown at the end of the song where the lyrics, let me see if I can get to it. So that part where it goes, lately weeks are going by so slow. Well, the summer's coming at you just to let you know. So that would be that E shape, and then the D, and then the C, and then the D, and then it breaks back into the chorus, where it repeats that twice throughout the song, and play around with the song, and along with the song rather, you'll catch on to it. So all you really need to go over it again is that E chord, which looks like this, and then how it picks up the pointer finger and then puts it back on, and then the C where it does that and moves down to that second fret, and then you've got your D where I pick up my pinky finger for that sound when I want to use it, and then the G, which is just a regular G chord, which if you don't know, it's open, and then you've got pointer finger on that second fret, you've got your ring finger on that third string, that third fret, and then you've got your middle finger on the second fret of that very top string there. So you got that. Hopefully that helps you out with learning how to play it. Leave some comments if it's a little fuzzy in some places. Rhythm's really going to be all on you. I'm not really one to ask how to learn a rhythm. Maybe that's something I can better learn myself. But there's that for you, and I hope you enjoy it.